Hi guys, in today's video, I am showing you how to dye Easter eggs naturally using vegetables and spices. This is such a fun activity to do with kids, so let's just get into it. For this demonstration, I will be using beets, red cabbage, and turmeric. Let's start by making these vibrant turquoise blue eggs. To achieve this color egg, I added red cabbage, boiling water, and a touch of vinegar together to make the dye. The dye will initially be blue, but it will quickly turn to a rich magenta color as it sits. I allowed my eggs to sit in the dye overnight. Purple cabbage or red cabbage may be the most interesting vegetable to use for this activity, as children will be surprised to see that this red cabbage will give them a blue egg. Use turmeric to make yellow eggs. Follow the same process by adding turmeric to boiling water to create the dye. I let the eggs sit in the dye for several hours, overnight even, to achieve these golden yellow colored eggs. Next, I used unpeeled beets to create these unique stone colored eggs. This actually was an accident, as I forgot to remove the skin from the beets and realized that it rendered a totally different color egg. So I started by removing the stem and the root from the beets and quartering the beet. Place them into a bowl and added boiling water and vinegar. Following that same process to create the dye, I set them in the dye overnight, and to our surprise, we had these unique gray colored eggs. And finally, I followed that same process using beets, but this time with the roots, stems, and skins removed to create these mauve colored eggs. You can achieve these beautifully colored eggs while avoiding any harsh chemicals. With Easter just around the corner, I hope that you will try this fun and easy project with children. Let me know how it goes, and remember to subscribe to my channel and like this video for more content.